Hello my friends and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. This is my employee holiday Christmas party. I'm the only guy who works here, so Merry Christmas to you all. Hope this is royalty free. Let me turn it down a little bit. There you go. All right. I thought I'd go over some of the stuff I did this year, some of the fun things that I did, and some fun things that I found, including this hat. We'll touch on that. And yesterday I ran the San Diego Holiday Half Marathon. 11th year in a row I ran this. And today marks 2,000 consecutive days of running at least a mile every day. Yeah, I get out there. And part of the reason for that, or part of what I find from that, is some awesome curb finds. Over the last year, I've found all kinds of good things on the curb. Lots of lawn mowers. I usually fix up lawn mowers and I give away a lot of them. Over the last several years, I've probably given away maybe 60, 80 lawn mowers. I sell a couple of them just to buy air filters and carburetor parts and stuff like that. But I found some money, and here's some money that I found. Got a $20 bill, a couple $100 bills. This is all counterfeit. Counterfeit $100 bill, counterfeit $100 bill, counterfeit $20 bill. But I did find a real $100 bill, a couple of ones, and lots of pocket change. Every time I see something, I pick it up. So that's kind of cool, but I have given away a lot of lawn mowers. I found a radial arm saw that someone had put out on the curb. I found some parts washers, 2 industrial parts washers. I'm finding all kinds of stuff, and people are always like, well, how do you find all that stuff? Well, I get out every day. So when you're out in the neighborhood, you find stuff. Also, I recycle. So we got our cans and bottles and stuff. When I go to the recycling center, there's a thrift store right next door. Sometimes I pop in there. I don't really need anything, just I'm in the neighborhood. So I found this hat and didn't really need another hat. I have so many hats around here. This is a Tilley hat. I never heard of Tilley hats before, but I grabbed it. It was $4.99. I looked it up. This is a $100 hat. So I said, well, you know what? I'll pick it up. Well, inside of this hat, let me take it off again. There is a little little pouch thing inside of here. And inside of there was a plastic bag with $15 in it. So my $5 hat netted me $10. So this is my hiking hat. I go hiking every week with a friend of mine. All right, let me take a look at what we've done this year. Okay, we started the year fixing up the old Yamaha XS650 chopper. I'm gonna try to put little thumbnails or pictures in here. I'm not the best editor, but we'll do what I can here. I've had that chopper for quite a while. It's been sitting behind my garage. I got it going. Found out it had too much wrong with it for me to really want to mess with it, and it really just wasn't my style, so I passed it along to the next guy. He said he was going to get in touch with me, but haven't heard from him. Shortly after that, I took out the Dirt Ninja 250 that I made into a adventure bike, air quotes. Took that out, had a good time on it. I still have that bike. I've been trying to advertise it for sale, but if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't have a lot invested in it. What else have we done? Oh, we got a Escort, Ford Escort. Took that to the Gambler 500. That was a lot of fun. I did my annual Death Valley trip. We also picked up a Subaru Forester. Changed out the engine in that. Took that out to the Gambler 500. Another good time. I bought a I bought a Suzuki DR350. I drove about 100 miles to get it. I thought I was going to use it for parts to help my friend out. Kind of changed plans on it. Got it kind of running, didn't really go much beyond that, and I sold that and passed it along to the next guy. Oh, I did a lot of different stuff this year. Okay. Oh, I grew a Joshua tree, a couple of them actually. They're outside right now. That's going to be many years, hopefully. We'll see how they go. I got a free BMW K1200. It is just to my right. I guess that would be to your left. I'm picking away at that. I have an idea for a trip this next year, 2026. We'll see how that goes. I made it to the Duct Tape Drags in Tucson, Arizona. Motor Trend celebrities there, David Freiberger, Derek from Vice Grip Garage. It was a lot of fun, made me want to build a drag race car, but it just doesn't make any sense. There's no drag strips anywhere close to me. There's an 1/8 mile drag about 25, 30 miles away. And maybe someday I'll do that. We'll see. I did my annual dual sport camping trip with San Diego Adventure Riders. That's always a good time. Also, just to my right off screen here is my 1978 Yamaha YZ125 that I purchased for $100. Did a cleanup on it. Not going to say a restoration, but a cleanup on it. Made it look really nice. And I ended up netting money on that by selling off parts. That I purchased a parts bike and sold the parts off. So I have a pretty nice 1978 YZ125 and a couple $100 in my pocket. And that's a pretty good wrap up of the year. The employee Christmas party's going well. Got my favorite beverage, Pabst Blue Ribbon, my favorite garage beverage. Pabst Blue Ribbon, contact me for some sponsorship. We'll see. Just off camera to my left is a motorcycle I haven't featured on the channel yet, but one that I purchased. It needs some work. Let me show you that. That'll be probably next year's project. This is a 2018 KTM 350 EXCW? EXCF? I don't remember what it's called, but the street legal dual sport version. Needs a little bit of work. I wasn't sure if I was going to do a video on it, but I think I will. It's kind of upsetting to me. I purchased it and it already needs some work, but I did get a good deal on it. But that will be featured on the channel in 2026. From me to everyone who's watching, thank you very much for all the support you've given me. I never thought that I would be a YouTube digital creator, social media influencer, whatever you want to say. I'm just a guy who likes to work on things and likes to help people. And I enjoy a great deal. And I try to have fun in everything I do. That's why I'm having my little employee Christmas party right here. So thank you very much for supporting my channel, watching my videos, liking, commenting, subscribing, and all that sort of stuff. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, whatever faith you are, just enjoy this time of year. And we'll see you in 2026. Hopefully we'll have a lot more tinkering and adventures together. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.